How would you define Web3? Because this is obviously a term which has been cropping up a lot recently. What is it?
So Web3 is the next step of web where the
Is Web 1, when Web 2, Web 3? I guess.
so Web 1 is read, Web 2 is read write, and Web 3 is read write own. So you own that information.
Okay.
So, it's again going back. Web 1 is, almost like an online newspaper, right? Like just text, you go onto websites, read, no engagement. Web 2, the first part of Web 2 is comments. So you can then add your comments, you can create stories, and then things like Facebook, MySpace, where you're adding content, and Instagram. So you're adding, but it's owned by the platform, right? If they take it off, they take it off. With Web 3, that info, that data is controlled by the user, the wallet. And that's the difference.
Okay.
So an example I think will resonate is there is a social network protocol where it looks like X or Twitter. And so you use an app to look at the protocol. And so you post your stories, news, everything else. But you're not bound to that app. It's on the protocol.
Mm-hmm.
So, someone can use a different app to look at the same stuff. So that the content generator owns that address and then can move from any of these apps. If a new app comes out, and then they can port their following, they can port the data, they can port the history of what they produced to each of these platforms. So content creators is key, rather than having the power with the platforms.